Alright sis, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I don't know which video is going up first. I'm just gonna say Happy New Year in all of them, just in case this is the first video of mine that you are watching. So for today's video, I have a Target haul and then a couple things from Marshalls that I want to show you guys. I decided to be in front of the camera this time, just because for 2019, I think I want to try and like do more front facing videos. I just feel like it's more personable, and I don't know, like I just feel like you can put a face to the hands, you know, I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm sorry if you hear echo. I'm actually not at my house. I am at my sister's house. I'm dog sitting for her. So if you hear dogs in the background like that, don't mind them. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The good thing about my sister's house is that she has like these really big windows, so I can like see everything outside, which is why the dogs are barking too, because they can see the dogs walking on the greenway, so they're barking at the other dogs. So I'm like, I don't even need any lighting, but low-key, the sun is hurting my eyes. I'm not even gonna lie. Anyway, I'm gonna start off with Marshalls only because I only got a couple things from there. So the first thing that I got was this tape dispenser. It is Sloth. And I haven't even looked at the inside of it. It was on clearance, and I got this because, well, my friend Jessica, Jess Loves Life here on YouTube, she was talking about like decorating her desk. She just got a new job, so she's gonna, hold on, I need some scissors. So she's talking about decorating her desk at work, and I was like, you know what, I need to revamp my desk at work because I had put like Christmas decorations up, and obviously Christmas is over now, so I need something else, you know, like I have a little tree on the side of my desk, but I'm gonna have to move it now because Christmas is over. So anyway, I went to Target and I got some stuff from there, and then when I went to Marshalls, I saw this Sloth and I was like, oh, this would go good with the stuff that I got from Marshalls. So it's a tape dispenser, and the tape that comes on here, I don't even know how to take this out. Does this come out? I hope it comes out. I was planning on using the tape for like my planner, and then using the actual tape dispenser for regular tape at work. But it's not... Maybe you're not supposed to change the tape on here because I can't take it out. But, oh well, I'll figure it out later. But I don't know if you guys can see the washi on there. It's just like little holo sloths. So I thought that was cute. And this was on clearance. And they had other tape dispensers on clearance. They had those like unicorn tape dispensers on clearance. And then those, like the unicorn colored pencils. So if you guys are looking for stuff like that, go to Marshalls because they have it all on clearance right now. All right, the next thing that I got, I've been eyeballing this for a while. I wanted to get it before Christmas, but then I was like, no, I'm not going to spend money on myself. I need to buy Christmas presents. So I didn't get it. And then I went to Marshalls. When I went to Marshalls, I saw it again. And I was like, should I get this? And Jessica, my friend Jessica, was like, just get it because you've been eyeballing it since before Christmas and it's the last one. So I was like, you're right, I'm going to get it. But it's this book. It's called The Astrology of You and Me. And it's basically just talking about... like all the signs. So if you look at this, like I just opened to a random page, it says Gemini. So this says the Gemini employee, interviewing a Gemini, breaking news to a Gemini, the dogs are about to start barking. Hey! So it has random stuff like that, and then it has like things on like roommates and children and stuff like that. So I just think stuff like this is really interesting. And I have a book similar to this, but it's like literally falling apart because it's so old. Yeah, I just find this stuff interesting, and I've already read a couple of like pages from it, like my traits, and then traits from like my cousins and my sisters, and it's just like, wow, this is actually kind of spot on, you know? All right, and then the last thing from Marshalls that I got was this. So random, right? So it's kind of just like, I don't even know what you call this. How many? So it's like an octagon shape, and it's just... It has a hole in there, so I guess you could put like, I don't know, whatever you want to put in here. Maybe even like a little terrarium thing in here. I probably put like little lights in here, but I really like this. This was only $7.99. I feel like this was a really good price because I feel like things like this are normally between $15 and $20, so I thought $7.99 was a good deal for this. I actually got this one for my desk at home because I kind of want to redo my desk at home too, like where I film and stuff. So that's all that I got from Marshall's. I'm going to move on to Target. I actually feel like I got quite a few things at Target. And now that I'm pulling it out, it's probably not even going to be that much, but yeah, here. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to do my desk at work. So they have these little like Valentine decoration things. And this is actually not from the Target dollar spot. This is like in the actual Valentine's Day section. If you go to the back of Target where all the seasonal stuff is, this is where you'll find this stuff. But I got this cute little cactus pot thing. I don't even know like what to call it. Just a little decor piece. This was only $5. So I thought this would look cute. Actually, I was just thinking, I was like, oh, this would look cute where the tree was. But I realized I'm going to put something else where the tree was. So I don't know where I'm going to put this, but we'll find a spot. And then I also picked up this sloth. It's just like a little hangy thing. I don't even know how I would describe this. But there's like a shelf at work that we have like these little like pom-pom things hanging from it. And right now we have like, well, we had these like Ferrero Rocher things hanging from it because it was like Christmassy, but obviously it's not Christmas anymore. So I'm gonna hang this where that was. And then, okay, that's not desk stuff. Let me show you all my desk stuff first. Okay, so this is actually what I wanted to put where my Christmas tree is. It is, oh, is this upside down? Oh, it's supposed to be like this. Oh, I think I had it like this. It doesn't, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter which way you put it, but it's just like a little hexagon shelf. I kind of wanted a neutral one, but they only had like colorful ones. They had this one. They had a, yeah, this is a hexagon. They had a pentagon shaped one, and that was like a teal color. And I kind of liked the pentagon shaped one, but it was like cracked and it was the only one. So I was like, I don't want to get a cracked shelf. So I went with this one, and I am going to, I have like little things at work. They're like little figurines, I guess. I don't know what you call them. So I think I'm gonna just put those in there. And then I did buy like this little fake succulent thing, which it's in one of these bags. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so it's this little guy. He's like a little unicorn, and it's fake. It's not real. The succulent, I mean. So this was also from the Target dollar spot. They had like other ones, but I thought that this one would go better with this since it's colorful. So I was thinking of like sticking it in there or something. I don't know. We'll see. Was it gonna fit? It fit when I tried it the first time. So I was thinking like something like that. So these are both from the Target dollar spots. All right, next I picked up one of these letter boards. I kind of wanted one of these for my desk at home, but I didn't think that the colors would really go with, well, I guess maybe the teal one did. But there was one that was a teal color like this, but they didn't have any white letters. All the letters were gone. They only had these letters, the teal letters. So I couldn't get like the teal board and put teal letters on there because you weren't gonna be able to see it. So I got these with the pink board. So hopefully that looks okay. I figured since there's so much color going on, it would look okay. And I like having a lot of color at work. Only it just makes me happier, I guess, because we don't have windows in our office. Like, I mean, we do have windows in like the general office, but the office that me and my other two coworkers sit in, there's no windows. So we like having like bright things in there to kind of like bring in some life into the office, you know? So I got those. And then the last couple things I got from the dollar spot, I got some stickers. These are just alpha stickers. They're gold foiled. And then y'all know I stay struggling with rub-ons. Like the last Target dollar spot rub-ons that I got were the Thanksgiving ones, and I struggled so hard with those. But of course, I got more. So these are for Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna try these out, and hopefully they work better than the other ones that I got. So yeah, these were only $1 too, so I figured it would be okay. And I guess you could put these on different types of things, not just paper. This is like a wood thing they have in the background, so I'm probably not going to do that. I'm going to use this more for my planner, but if you want to use these for other things, I guess you can. And then the last couple things that I got from the dollar spot were these pins, which I thought were cute. They're like the enamel pins. This is a heart and some lips. This is just like decoration. And then this is a best friend one. It says BFF. I just really like this little camera. And then there's these. This is like a little letter and then some glasses. I actually thought these would look kind of cute in the board, that pegboard, not pegboard, the letter board. I thought maybe I could put those in there, or I could wear these on my scrubs at work, you know, for the Valentine's Day season. Just bring some spirit, Valentine's spirit, I guess. I don't know. I'm really into all that like commercial holiday stuff like Valentine's Day. Not necessarily like, oh, a man to bring me flowers, even though I would like flowers on Valentine's Day, but just little things like this. Like, I am all into this stuff, you know. Just like being in the spirit of things, I guess, is what I should say. Does that make sense? That probably doesn't make sense. Okay, never mind. Moving on. So this I found, actually I think my sister found this, and I was like, ooh, I want it. It was on clearance. I remember I had wanted this before, but it was $15, and I was like, I don't want to pay $15 for that. And it was 50% off, so I got it for $7 or $7.50, and it's just like this big watercolor palette. I mean, my sister was like, you have that Michaels one that you never use. And I do use it occasionally. But this one, I just thought, I just liked it, you know? Oh, I guess, oh, okay. So this one comes with a watercolor pad. It's just like paper. And then this is what the palette looks like. It's just so giant. I don't know, I thought it was cute. I was like, oh, it's so like aesthetic, you know? So I got that. Who knows if I'll use it. I'm gonna try and do more watercolor in my planner. I think I did like one watercolor spread all of last year, and that, I don't even remember if I liked the way it turned out. I have to go back and look at it. Okay. All right, the next few things that I got are not planner related or desk stationery related, but I just figured I would show you guys. So, like I said, I'm so into like the commercialism or whatever you call it of like Valentine's Day and stuff like that. So I got these Valentine's Day bags, and I thought these would be cute to put little gifts in for my coworkers or my friends for Valentine's Day. So these I got from the seasonal section, where I got this little guy in the back of the store, and these were $2.50. They had other bags in the Target dollar spot that were, I think, $1 for 2 bags, but this was like a way better deal. So this is 8 bags for $2.50, and if I bought the other bags 2 for $1, it would have came out to more, you know. So I was like, let me just get these. The only thing is that the other bags from the Target dollar spot had like glitter on one of them, which I really liked, but I was like, they're just gonna throw it away, so I might as well just get these. Going along with the whole like giving Valentine's Day gifts, I saw these Valentine's Day cards, and I was like, these are so cute. I'm gonna get these. This is so me, especially at work. Like this says, oh, like this one. Okay, so this one says, you know what's good about today? Nothing. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get these. So these are all like the little Valentine's Day, and they come with stickers. So I thought that would be cute to give to my friends or my coworkers. So yeah, or actually even like put these in, like maybe I could do like a planner spread with these, because I'm not going to use all of these. There's 32 Valentines, and these are typically for like children that have classmates and stuff, and like I said, I don't go to school or anything, so maybe I'll use some of these in a spread. All right, so next I found this pack of lip glosses. It says the Lip Gloss Vault, and it was 50% off, originally $12, and I thought this would be cute again to put in the little Valentine's Day bags for my friends, you know. So And this has more than enough to put in those bags. So I would just, I don't know what I would do the rest. I mean, I would use them eventually, you know, but it might take a while. So this came out to $6, which I thought was a really good deal. And then I also found these mascaras that were on sale. I don't remember for how much, but I remember it being a good deal because I was like, oh, I'm going to get 2. So I thought these would be good to put in the bags and obviously keep one for myself. So yeah. All right. And this is really, really random. This is the last thing that I got from Target. It's just this beauty sponge by L'Oreal, and this was $4.88, and these are originally $7. So I thought this was a good price. I don't personally have this sponge in particular, but my sister does, and I used it one time and I actually really liked the way it applied my foundation and all of that. So I just went ahead and picked one of these up. I wanted to grab more, but I had already picked up like 4 or 5 from Walmart because they had those little ornaments with the Real Technique sponges on the inside, and they were, since it's Christmas, they were 50% off. So I bought all of those for like $2. I was like, oh, I'm gonna be stocked up on sponges. And then I went to Target and they had these. I was like, dang, I should have just waited because I actually like the way these work, you know, but it's fine. But anyway, you guys, that is it for this haul. Let me know how you guys feel about, you know, us being able to see each other and talk to each other like this. I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like you guys can get to know me better this way, and yeah, I don't know. Or maybe that doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I am trying to get back on my normal filming schedule, so hopefully by next week, my regular Monday Plan With Me's will be up, and then that's usually just what I do. I usually just, for sure, I always try and have my regular Plan With Me's up on Mondays and then just other videos throughout the week. So hopefully that will be back to normal next week once I'm actually back home and in my normal filming space. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope you guys are having a great new year. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. I really hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!